Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Tales Pod. My name is John. Today, I want to tell you another story about Anna. This time, the weather is very different. It is a rainy day. Anna usually likes sunny mornings. She likes blue skies and warm sunshine. But today, when she wakes up, she hears something unusual. Tap, tap, tap. Rain is falling outside her window. Anna opens her eyes. She stays in bed for a moment. Then she listens carefully. The rain is falling steadily. The sound is calm and peaceful. Anna gets up and walks to the window. She looks outside. The weather is gray. Dark clouds fill the sky. The street is wet. People are walking quickly. Many people are carrying umbrellas. Anna smiles. She does not mind the rain. Sometimes she enjoys rainy days. They make the city feel quiet. They make life move a little slower. Anna goes to the kitchen. She makes a hot cup of coffee. Then she sits near the window. She watches the rain while she drinks. The coffee feels warm. The weather feels cool. It is a comfortable morning. After breakfast, Anna checks the weather on her phone. The forecast says rain all day. Anna planned to walk through the park today. Now she needs a new plan. She decides to visit a small cafe after work. The idea makes her happy. Soon it is time to get ready. Anna chooses a warm jacket. She takes her umbrella. She puts her laptop in her bag. Then she leaves her apartment. Outside, the rain is still falling. Small drops land on her umbrella. The street is shiny and wet. Cars move carefully. People walk quickly to stay dry. Anna walks to the bus stop. The weather is cold, but not unpleasant. When the bus arrives, Anna gets on. She finds a seat near the window. She likes watching the city through rainy windows. The rain makes everything look different. Buildings look softer. Lights look brighter. People seem quieter. Anna enjoys the view. 20 minutes later, she arrives at work. The office is warm. Her co-workers are already there. Everyone talks about the weather. Some people dislike the rain. Some people love it. Anna thinks the rain is beautiful. The morning passes quickly. Anna answers emails. She works on a new design project. She attends a meeting. She finishes several tasks. Soon it is lunchtime. Anna looks outside. Rain is still falling. The weather has not changed. After lunch, she returns to work. The afternoon is busy. Hours pass quickly. Finally, the workday ends. Anna leaves the office. The rain is lighter now. Instead of going directly home, she walks to a nearby cafe. The cafe is small and cozy. Warm yellow lights shine inside. The smell of coffee fills the air. Soft music plays quietly. Anna finds a seat near a window. She orders tea and a piece of cake. Then she takes a book from her bag. Reading is one of her favorite hobbies. She opens the book and begins to read. Outside the window, people continue walking through the rain. Inside the cafe, everything feels calm. Anna reads for almost an hour. She enjoys every page. She enjoys every moment. Sometimes simple moments are the best moments. After finishing her tea, Anna closes her book. The rain has almost stopped. She pays for her food and leaves the cafe. The evening air feels fresh. The weather is cooler now. The clouds begin to move away. A little sunlight appears in the distance. Anna smiles. The rainy day is ending. She walks home slowly. When she arrives at her apartment, she changes into comfortable clothes. She prepares a light dinner. Then she sits near the window again. The street is quiet. The rain is gone. The city looks peaceful. Anna thinks about her day. The weather was rainy. The street was wet. She used her umbrella. She wore her jacket. She visited a cozy cafe. She read a good book. And she enjoyed a quiet evening. It was not an exciting day. It was not a busy adventure. but it was a good day. Sometimes happiness comes from simple things: a warm drink, a good book, a rainy window, a peaceful evening. Anna smiles one last time. Tomorrow will be a new day, but tonight she feels calm and thankful. Thank you for listening to English Tales Pod. To get the PDF file and the audio version of this episode, please visit the link in the description or join our English Tales Pod Telegram channel. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more English stories and learning content. See you in the next episode.